Hi friends, welcome to Net Talks Tamil. Today we are going to discuss about DHCP LAB. See, usually the DHCP server configuration, the network team will not manage it. Okay, whenever we are creating a DHCP in the router or switches or L3 switches, I mean switches in the sense L3 switches, then only network team will manage it. Some extended case, network team will manage the DHCP server. The DHCP server will be created in the Windows or Linux servers. Now in this scenario, we will create our own DHCP server just for knowledge purpose. We will create it and then how IP is getting assigned to the PC. That we will virtualize in the lab. That we are going to do it today. Now in this scenario, let us take one switch and then four PCs, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4 and then one server. In this server only we are going to enable DHCP service and one router. Let us connect the devices. Switch to router, switch to PC, switch to PC, switch to PC, switch to PC, switch to DHCP server. In this server only we are going to enable a DHCP scope. How we are going to enable DHCP scope, that we will discuss it. Before that, let us do the basic configuration of router. Host name, let us assign Chennai router. Interface GA 0/0/0, which will be the LAN interface. IP address 10.10.10.1. This interface will be going to act as a gateway for all the LAN system. No shut. In the switches, default VLAN 1 is running. All the ports are by default getting enabled with the VLAN 1. Now I am not going to do any VLAN changes in the switches. Now let us assign a IP to the DHCP server. IP we need to assign it, okay, for DHCP server. Otherwise, the DHCP server will not work. IP config 10.10.10.2 and then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway will be 10.10.10.1. Now we have assigned IP address into DHCP server. Let us ping the gateway from DHCP server to router 10.10.10.1. Yes, it's pinging. Now we need to enable a DHCP service in router, this particular server. Before enabling, we need to put as a start address, end address, all those things. Default gateway, whatever we are going to create a DHCP scope for that 10.10.10.1 is a default gateway. And then DNS server, anything we can give. As of now, we are keeping 0. Okay, start address is a 10.10.10.0 is there. Okay, we are giving from 10.10.10.10 till 1 to 9 we are keeping as a buffer and we saved it. Now the configuration is saved. Still I have not turned on the DHCP service in this particular server. Before that, let us verify in the PC what IP address is taking. If I am selecting as a static to DHCP, it is taking a APIPA IP. Automatic private IP address it is taking. APIPA is used since the DHCP server is not reachable, or which means we are not enable the DHCP services in that server. So it is taking as a APIPA IP. Now let us enable a DHCP service in server. I have turned on this DHCP server. Now let us do the DHCP discovery. What is happening? 10.10.10.10. First IP is assigned to the PC 0. Now same way we'll do it for all the PCs. DHCP is enabled to PC2, PC1, 10.10.10.11 IP is assigned. And then PC2 IP, instead of static, we are selecting DHCP 10.10.10.12 is assigned. And then PC3, let us enable DHCP. Yeah, 10.10.10.13. All our 4 PCs are IP get assigned by DHCP server. Let us try to ping the gateway from here. IP config 10.10.10. Sorry, ping 10.10.10.1 gateway IP. It is pinging. Right now, these 4 PCs are communicated to the DHCP server as with the DORA process: discover, offer, request, accept, acknowledge. With that, it is getting an IP. Now all the PCs are established network. If you had 100 PCs also, it will get IP from this DHCP server. Only we need to go to the DHCP scope service here. This is only lab. Okay, the live will be completely will get differ. Okay, since it is our lab, I want to show you how this DHCP concept is working. So usually the DHCP servers will be managed by server team. Just to make awareness, I have created by using the packet tracer. I have the facility to do it. If you want to do in real scenario, we have to build a Windows server and then we need to enable a DHCP. Even Linux also we can do it. Upcoming videos, if possible, I will showcase with the Windows server how the DHCP works with the scopes creation and all. Thanks for watching NetTalks Tamil. Please like it, share it, and subscribe it. If you have any doubt, please drop your doubts in the comment box. It will be addressed in upcoming videos.